You're still up?
Yeah. Probably should have told you since it's my first time staying over, but I don't sleep much. Tried everything. Tylenol PM, edibles, counting sheep. I usually just toss and turn until the sun's about to come up.
Well, how about some white noise?
Nah, I've tried that too. Thunderstorms and waterfalls just make me want to pee. Not in the bed, though.
I'm not talking about that kind of white noise. Lay back.
I didn't do anything. I have to get on this plane. Why am I being held? Why?
From the creators of Calm, Yo Ass Down app comes White Noise, the latest innovative application for relaxation and sleep aid for people of black and brown skin color. The way it works is simple. Using actual audio from real-life encounters, the sounds of white people, usually women, complaining about perceived injustice and their privilege being thwarted, unacknowledged, and told no, is soothing to black and brown ears, according to science. It's at this point that a never-before-reached level of calm and peace is achieved, as if all is right with the world. And with the playing field leveled, if even just for a moment, black and brown shoulders are left unburdened and their guards lowered, sending them into a deep REM coma-like sleep.
Smack me! Smack me, nigga! Come on, yeah. Drop it. Oh! Throw me another fuck out. I don't give a fuck.
Thanks, white noise.
White Noise. It's all right, 'cause it's all white. Also from the makers of White Noise, Ribs.